Hey guys, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. Today I'm going to be working with the outdoor formula of Mod Podge to create this really cool front door wreath. And can you believe the base of this is made with a pizza pan? So I'm going to be altering that pizza pan with a little folk art home decor chalk, and I'm using these gorgeous napkins. All right, let's dive right into this project. So we're starting with an inexpensive pizza pan. I got this one from the dollar store, folk art home decor chalk, that outdoor formula, ribbons, napkins. The first thing that we're going to do is prime or paint our pizza pan, and we're going to paint our wood letters. And I just color matched my folk art paint to my napkin design. I went ahead and did 2 coats on this because I wanted a deep blue. Now we're going to separate those plies of the napkin. I'm only working with that top printed ply. And this is just a little bit of water. I'm painting it around the motif, and then I'm going to tear it. That's going to give it a feathered edge. And the feathered edge is really the preferred method because it's going to make your napkins kind of seamless when they blend together. So go ahead and lay out your design and then add your wood letters just using some wood glue. I'm positioning them towards the top because I want to leave room for our bow. And I'm using the outdoor formula of Mod Podge. You can see that it's much thicker than normal Mod Podge. And we're going to apply that directly to the pizza pan. And then you'll just place your napkin right into the Mod Podge. You can smooth it with your finger or the brushes to remove any of the wrinkles. And you're gonna go ahead and take that napkin all the way to the lip of the pizza pan. And I'm working around the wood letters. And so I'm sort of piecing the napkins around it. And I'm doing that so that the white behind the letters stays there. That way my letters will be able to be read very clearly. You can piece all your napkins together and just keep layering up the designs. It's sort of like a collage. You can see that I'm gently top coating as I go along, but we are going to do 3 final top coats to make this outdoor friendly, and we'll have a dry time of a couple of hours in between each of those top coats. So just keep adding your napkin designs. Each napkin's different, so you can just cut out the different motifs and really get creative here. Once all your napkins are down, you're going to want to let it dry for about 3 hours before you start the top coating process. For the edge, I just turn it over and I'm Mod Podging the napkins to the back of the pan. Then you can cover that up with a piece of felt and of course add a hanger there. For the top coats, I like to go in 2 different directions. I go one direction, then the next direction, and that will really create some smooth brush strokes. And again, we're going to do that 3 times with the dry time of an hour in between each. Now let's jazz up this bow. I love this ribbon. I thought it looked perfect with our napkins. I pulled some pink embellishments from the pink in the napkins and then a sunflower in the center. So you can just hot glue that right onto your wreath. How cute is this? So adorable for some quick front porch decor. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I want to tell you about the outdoor formula. Make sure you read that label. You're going to have some cure time and you're going to want to do 3 top coats for that. I'll see you back here next week with another fun project. Until then, please make sure you share your ideas by using the hashtags Mod Podge and Plaid Crafts. See you next week.